How to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about canceling your CapCut Pro subscription on your desktop and your mobile device. So if you want to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription on your phone, simply go ahead and open your CapCut application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to Settings. Once you go to the Me section, there you will find out whether your account is Standard or Pro. So tap on that and you will see your next billing date. And then tap on Manage in the top right corner. And if you're on your computer, you might see a cancel button over here. Some people will see the cancel button and you can just tap to cancel it. And if you don't see it, you will need to cancel through the App Store or Google Play Store. And to do that, you need to go ahead and then tap on your profile in the top right, go to Payment and Subscriptions. From here, tap on Subscriptions, find the CapCut Pro subscription, and simply cancel the subscription and confirm. So that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.